Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. So today I'm really excited to be reviewing the JBL Tune 230NC Earbuds. Now I'm so excited to be reviewing these today, is MrYouWho actually passed 10,000 subscribers this week, and JBL have been a massive part of the success of our channel. We've reviewed lots of JBL earbuds, headphones and speakers, and found it to be an excellent brand. In this review we're going to be jumping back in and looking at another pair of JBL earbuds, the Tune 230. And in every review you're going to find out these are fantastic earbuds. They get 40 hours with them, 10 hours in the earbuds, 30 hours in the case. They've got noise cancelling and smart ambient aware, which is excellent. The sound quality is excellent. They've got fantastic microphones. And as you can see, I'm dressed up in my gym gear as well, and they're really, really good to use at the gym. We've really enjoyed reviewing the JBL 230NC. So we're also going to go do a sound test. You're going to see what they look like out and about. But with MrYouWho, you can actually see what it's like using the earbuds versus just having them being presented. Anyway, all that coming up. Make sure you also subscribe. Again, we really appreciate all the support we've had over the last 2.5 years. It's really exciting and we look forward to much more to come. And again, JBL, fantastic company, have been a big part of that journey. So we're really excited to be reviewing these earbuds. Anyway, make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and click on that little notification button as well. It really does help. Anyway, let's go and look at the JBL Tune 230NC here at MrYouWho. Okay, so here we're taking a look at the JBL Tune 230NC. So again, you can see it's very similar packaging to what we've seen the JBL earbuds in the past. Again, you've got the OK Google, Alexa in there, and there's the earbuds. So these ones are white. There's a bit of a case. So let's look at the packaging and see what comes in it. Again, we'll open it up. So there you go straight away. So there's the white eggshell type shape, which I really like. And also there's where it charges as well. So you can see how much charge these are. Now these come with 40 hours battery life, 10 in the earbuds and 30 in the case, which is excellent. So you can really literally use these for a week and not have to worry about charging them. So I'll just take out the earbuds here in the package. Again, the packaging is really, really nice here. Now the earbuds and the case feel very good quality as well. Very much like other JBL products we've done. So let's go look at them a bit closer. So there's the two earbuds there. Now the great thing with these is, as you can see, there's 4 microphones on there. That means it's got very, very clear sound. They're also noise cancelling, and they've also got smart ambient aware as well, which means you can hear the environment around you. We'll go a bit more detail about that shortly. And then here's the case, so take a bit look at it. So there you are. So straightforward, the earbuds pop in there. So make sure I get these the right way around in there, and they pop in there as well. A little bit different than how the earbuds actually reviewed with JBL. The earbuds actually sit in there. The other ones are set along the top, but I like that style. Again, USB-C charging there as well. You've got the USB-C charging cable, and you've got the other earbuds here. So this allows it for different sizes in your ears. It's a big thing a lot of subscribers have said is how well do they fit in the ears. We'll be testing out how well these do. And again, there's your JBL instruction booklet and kit, how to use them, how they all work there as well. These are IPX4 as well, so they're water resistant and sweat proofing too. So if you're running outside in the rain, you won't get caught out, which is good. There they are there. Again, they feel like really good quality. And I like this as well. See how deep the earplug here is as well. So they're going to sit really nicely in the ears too. So yeah, great earbuds. Anyway, let's go and start by testing them out and see how they work. Okay, so I hope you like the unboxing of the JBL Tune 230. So what do they like to wear? Well, let's go and have a look. So quite easy, you just open up the case and you pop them in the ears. So that's that goes in your right ear and that goes in your left ear. Now, when you put them in, straight away you can feel, I'll go a bit closer, you can feel how comfortable they are. They don't move whatsoever when you move your head. See, they don't come out at all, which I think is fantastic. They start pairing straight away, which is really, really good. They sound good now. They pair automatically to your phone. So you can select it on there, but also it's very, very easy. So if you say, hey Google, it will call the Google Assistant. You can tell it to play Spotify or play musics. If you press that button there, it will start to play the music. Press it twice, it fast forwards through the tracks, just there. And press it 3 times and it can reverse through the tracks as well. Now over this side, if you press that, it activates noise cancelling. You press it again, it does a smart ambient aware. Now, the smart ambient aware basically reduces the sound so you can actually hear the environment around you. It works really well. The noise cancelling, we're going to show you in a minute how good it is. We're going to go outside a busy road so you can see how effective it is in actually cancelling out the noise. But JBL have really done a good job with their smart ambient aware. I use it all the time when I'm out and about. Particularly, I use a lot for scootering. So having the Google Assistant to scooter, I can actually call people, I can manage my music through the headphones. It works really well. Also want to talk now about the microphone. Now it has 4 microphones, so if you look back there, there's a microphone each side. This means that it hears your voice very, very clearly and doesn't pick out much outside noise. It's really, really good. And the reason why you want to have a good microphone is because if you're riding or driving or running, you can't hear people. And with these, they sound really good. Sound a lot better than other earbuds I've done in the past too. So very, very comfortable. As you can see, they just literally sit in the ears. And I think the ear tips as well, it's really, really good. So you can change those as well if you are worried about how big it is. But also there's the, see the microphones just there? But they're very, very light. So they fit very, very well. And I think it's because they go so deep into the ear. See there, gives you an idea of it. So great earbuds. We're going to go test out the sounds shortly too, so you can see how it sounds. But very, very comfortable. Great features, great functions. Noise cancelling, ambient aware is great, and they sound really good. Anyway, let's go and jump in and have a look at noise cancelling so you can see exactly what I mean when I say it sounds good. Let's go do that right now. Here we're using the earbuds on a busy road in Brisbane. As you can see, it's 6 lanes of traffic going past, and I can't hear the traffic with the earbuds on. And that's because they hold such a great seal on the ears, meaning that the sound doesn't get through. It sounds really, really quiet. Now, you can also put on the ambient aware as well, so you can drop the noise so you can have conversations. But these are really, really good if you want to use them out commuting, on the road, transport. They work really well and sound really good. Excellent noise cancellation at a touch of a button. And here I'm using them scootering in Brisbane. The great thing is they don't move at all in the ears, so you can travel around on a scooter. They don't move, very, very comfortable. And as you can see, I'm hooting off there at a different distance, and very, very good. Now again, using them in the gym, they don't move in the ears, very, very comfortable. And because they've got a good seal as well, you can't hear any gym music in the background. Now I do lots of movement in my exercises, and again, they don't move whatsoever. They provide a really good fit. They've got different earbud sizes too, if you're worried if they're going to move in the ears. I found these very, very comfortable. They don't sweat at all for long workouts, and they just sit there and work really, really well working out. And again, running perfectly, very, very comfortable. Excellent earbuds for exercise. Oh, sorry, I got caught up in the music, sorry. Been listening to these earbuds, the JBL Tune 230 do sound fantastic. And the reason being is, as you can see with the build up, if you can see just there, they sit really well right in the ears, which means that when you're listening to it, it provides a great seal. You can't hear any outside noise, and with the excellent noise cancelling, they work really, really well. You can't hear any noise around you. And with smart ambient aware is really good if you're crossing the road. Got to watch out for cars. As always, JBL's music has hit the spot. You know, the bass is good, the treble's good. It's got very, very good sound mix and sound palette as well. So whether you're going from rock to classical to dance, the music sounds really good. You can probably see that in our music test as well. It sounded really good. The design is fantastic as well. I love the pebble shape. It looks really nice. And I like also how they sit in there as well. They charge very, very quick. Excellent battery life as well. And the price point for these is actually really, really good as well compared to some other earbuds in the marketplace. I'd say they're very comparable towards the Apple Airpods. These would be very good if you don't want to go for Apple. You can use the JBL 230. So you can see using them out and about. They're great at the gym. They're great for walking. Great for exercise. And again, you know, JBL, the leaders in audio sound, and the JBL Tune 230 don't miss a beat as well. The noise cancelling is great. Fantastic microphone with the 4 microphones on it. Voice calls are very, very clear. They sit very, very comfortable as well, so you can use them for long periods of time and not have to worry about your ears getting sore. As you saw, I did a workout previously. I did a workout for a couple of hours, and there was no problems at all. It sounded really good, and obviously I've got my workout gear on too now. That's how excited I'm about them. But JBL 230 Tune, really, really good earbuds. Also check out our other earbud reviews as well. You can see MrYouWho playlist, but you won't go wrong with these. They sound really good, feel really good, great comfort, long battery life, excellent sound, and fantastic features, and just what you need if you want a pair of earbuds if you're on the go. And the great thing is with the 40 hours battery life as well, I'm going to London next year from Australia, and I can actually use these on a flight all the way over and potentially all the way back as well. So yeah, it's great. And I think 10 minutes to charge to get 2 hours out of them as well. It's excellent. So and if you want to buy these, there's links below. You can purchase them. But also like the videos we do. Subscribe to our channel. Again, 10,000th anniversary. Thank you for JBL for being part of the journey. We love their products, and we've got a whole heap of other reviews there if you want to check out a playlist. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho.